How to fix Facebook code not received in less than 1 minute. So to fix this problem, guys, all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Play Store, and after you open the Play Store, as you can see, this is the home page. All what you have to do is go to the search bar right here and click on it, and then search for Facebook like this. Click enter, and here all what you have to do is click on this update option, and after you click on it, your Facebook app is gonna be updated and the problem must be fixed. And yeah, if the problem was solved, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if it did not, all what you have to do is check our other videos about the code problem. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.